talking, Chloe?
Can you press any of the buttons?
Yeah, it's nothing wrong with this.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, you took off.
You can use it side too.
Uh-huh. Kumutai?
They call knee knockers because they're head knockers. People always hit their head or their knees. They don't pick their feet up. But see how thick this is? Look, see that? And when you close this door, it seals off water. So if you let to lock the ship down with water sinking, you can actually just keep the ship from sinking by closing certain doors and then keep it floating. The next one they might do that soon. But this is for officer right here. So he got his own bed, his own sink, but his toilet is gonna be another shower at a different place. Officers is separate from enlisted people so that you don't see the movie right here? Arnold Schwarzenegger, Puerto Rico, that's what they show, movie. And they have our menu right here. That's what I want for emergency. Fire broke out. Oh, these makes are old school better now. It's another one. Officers. So you say, alright, look, welcome to the officer's mess.
Wait, so they just keep it a mess?
They call it a mess because we can leave our stuff like this and we make a mess. They call it a mess because you just leave your stuff here. This your linen. We gotta get washed all the time to keep it clean from spreading disease. People, if you don't keep it clean, you're going to spread disease and shit real fast. These big old wash machines. Giants.
Why is it on?
That's not almost real, bro. That's just some things turning. So when they leave the ship, they walk like this. Yeah. Yeah, if you're tall, it's just sucks in the ship.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And zip, you know the zip line? You know how to sit in the basket and zip across? They do that too. Alcohol, food, first aid kit. Some have actually ships with boats and something, or raft. So you still have to see water.